Alright, what's up YouTube? This is game 2, so as we know, first game he lost, he's choosing to go first. They sided out. We're gonna see what goes on here.
Yeah! I know you don't play effect games, so...
He says I don't play effect games.
Is this true, Brett? Did you say this?
True.
This is true. What'd you pick?
The armor.
I gotta see it.
And
I
then
gotta
he puts the armor face down.
And he puts it face down like a boss.
And then I'm going to...
First turn shotgun.
You want
With
it?
heavy storm.
I'll do it.
Go ahead.
So it goes for that.
That's a 1-for-1.
It's a 1-for-1. Oh, so it's on 3. It says go. Is that heavy storm?
I hope not. For 8,000 apiece. Professor Alacoso.
Oh, look at that legendary collection.
Fine.
Or how do you
That's legendary.
Fine.
Attack.
Ow! Alright.
Set it.
Yep.
Wow. Rip it. Willie, did you just do that? You really just do that?
Go.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Go ahead.
Wow. Stacking
Should have
up.
flipped it. You should have flipped it.
Yeah.
No, you told
Brett, you feeling scared right now?
Go ahead.
Wow. Just saying go.
Get rid of that. You keep touching it with your finger.
I don't like it. You keep touching it. I'm not liking this.
Come here.
Sometimes
Come-
I
come
feel
to daddy.
I've got to
Come to daddy.
run away.
Not at the strip club.
Not at the, oh God. Yeah. Witt in the strip club.
I'm going to flip and dig.
You can't.
I could have decided
he was gonna stop me like, wait, what? That'd be pretty badass.
You don't know what I'm playing?
Summon.
Genexella, Birdman. Birdman.
Someone okay? Are we gonna allow this, TT? Oh! TT like a boss, call it.
Look at that legendary.
Wow. Get that road out there. Get that Stardust in out
I
there.
kind of did because I'm sitting over here.
Flip over snowman. Huh?
Mandatory.
Yeah, I found that out for the first time the other day. I thought this was optional. I've cheated. Armor die.
Who did this?
Timer.
Timer! I'm not gonna put this in front of the camera. No, Witt.
I was gonna throw it across your board.
I can't believe you put that down there. Timer! Alright, YouTube. This is gonna be very offensive. And this is from my friend Thimer. He's a little Casper White kid. He's very mean. I don't mind if you're gay or not. It doesn't bother me. Obviously, he doesn't like gays. Oh, drops a track.
Cards in hand.
No, you act like
But wait, it's right there. Oh. Cards in hand?
Two. Going to be 3.
I just want to ask one more time. How many cards?
oh my god. Hand destruction.
Alright, go ahead. I don't like it when my opponent has more cards than I do. It's 300. 566 to your full odds.
Messenger P.
What?
What the? You're retarded.
He was trying to go to fuck shit.
Yeah, it came out wrong, real wrong. Way to go.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Cards in hand?
3.
Wow, you guys are even now. Card field advantage? Oh.
Go ahead.
So he's at a +1 on you. +2.
Get out of here. No, he's a +1.
He's a +2. He's got 4 in hand.
Did I pay? Yeah.
Yeah, are you going to pay?
You're at 38. You paid twice.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know. Why are you touching the anal?
Yes.
Get out of here. Nobody likes you. I'm just kidding.
Okay. Ow! Ow! I just saw what you're gonna do. You're gonna steal my Stardust.
You're special, dude. Just go to sleep or something.
He was trying to on the way to Madison.
Oh my God, that's scary. Him driving and.
No, he wasn't driving.
Oh, he wasn't?
Driving. He was passing out in the front seat.
Oh jeez.
You would draw 2.
No.
Because it
No.
It's just as if it resolved.
I need that resolved. Particle argument, right? Read it once. When it.
Then you won.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, yep, you just draw for the one that resolves.
Witt, your turn.
He did not steal my Stardust.
Yugioh.
I am so excited he did not steal my Stardust.
Sometimes I wonder if you're okay sometimes.
Flip summon Sengen.
You're gonna play the Xbox.
TT.
I hear that's good.
Dig.
Dig. He has to clarify that for
Tour
you.
guide.
This card does stuff.
Yeah, get
Tour
that tour
guide.
guide. Oh, is that secret?
Of course.
Oh, that's very nice. Is the first set it is? That's very nice. Very good.
Heavy storm in there. Take it back. Take it. Take it. Take
You summon and activate effects.
No, I have to double check. Ever.
Sure.
Throw that Stardust back.
2, 3, 4.
And guess what? He passed the first grade. He can count. Thank God. You know what's funny? Some guy tried putting 6 back. Like he hit his card under one of the cards. And I go to count him like, sir, you cannot count. He's like, why? That's 6. He's like, oh, I was like, you're just trying to bullshit me. He was trying and it didn't win. And that's Alti? Oh my God, Witt.
He's a card whore.
He is. He really is. 1 and dose. Eh. Here we go, Yugioh.
Heavy storm.
Tour guide. Sure. Activate effects.
Yep.
Special.
What'd you call me?
Special.
Special. That's right.
Same.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this is the longest game ever now.
Shut it.
I'm sorry.
Piece does work.
Yeah, I hear that.
I have BLS now. And I have bonus, so let's go double.
Whoa, what
Willie.
was that, sir? I wanna see
Willie.
that.
Wow, Willie.
Back.
Wow. The move, okay. Take 1,000. It's all good.
God.
Choosing to pay for Messenger?
Yes.
So he pays for Messenger.
Can I read?
I hope he can read at least. If he can count, he can read, I hope.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Deeper.
Ron Weasel.
You get rid of my Sengen, I get rid of your accelerator.
We even see. Go ahead.
Whoa! That one did not work so well.
There we go.
He tried setting it, game lost. TT. Goes in match. Ooh, take a pic, sir. Can you remove the rabbit on the effect?
Yeah, I can ban it, then it wouldn't.
But it wouldn't matter because, yeah, if it goes in match. Oh, wow, dude. So you're in a pickle. Yeah, fuck tour guide. Dude, it's 13.
In response to the activation, banish.
Sure.
You're at 1,700. Go ahead.
Are you choosing to activate messenger piece, sir?
You must pay till it kills you.
Are you choosing to pay?
Yeah, I'll pay.
He'll pay. What's new? Oh, another one. Jeez.
Fine.
Go ahead.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Confused?
Now Rabbit's gone.
10 buffets.
Unless you have space.
No, but he's got the Nutty Professor in his hand.
Look at this guy. Ring, knock, and graceful. Wanna see what I do off that?
Warning.
Dang, man, this is 10 minutes and 35 seconds.
Ooh, I figured it out!
Jesus Christ.
Special? Normal? Effect?
Wow.
I have you at 16. I see 2K getting in there.
You got anything to stop that, Brent? Just do the shake. Do the shake. Look at him. He's look at that. Yeah, you might as well shake. Oh my God. All right, so you guys saw this. Witt, the staller, wins again.